Hi everyone, this is Miss J. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday and ready to learn in 2021. Can you imagine this is already the fourth 6 weeks? We only have 18 more weeks to go and it's summer. I can't believe I'm saying that. But okay, so the learning goal for this week, we are going to review all concepts learned during the first semester to prepare us for the benchmark on January 12th. Okay. As always, you will have homework for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and it's due on Thursday and it is graded. You will also have to do your quiz 4.1. You should do your quiz before Friday. If you didn't do it before Friday, the highest grade for that quiz will be 70% because I will be posting a video on how to do each problem so you can review and get ready for the benchmark. On Wednesday, you will have a practice adding and subtracting fraction with simplifying. And then also practice writing an equation from word problem. So if you're not sure what all the letters, the variable means, there is a video on BrainPop that you can watch, and you can log in via Clever and just type equations with variables, and you will be able to view the video. On Thursday, I haven't put this together yet, but I would like you to review rules and tools for all concepts learned in the first semester. And I need you to practice adding and subtracting mixed numbers, fraction and whole number, right? You will also practice multiplying fractions and whole numbers using models. On Friday, please take the ISIP, that's the monthly assessment in iStation for math. Your homework is due, and we are going to practice dividing fraction using models. This is all review, so you shouldn't have problem doing that. Okay, I will show you how to access the work if you don't go through Teams. You go press Control. If you didn't have it on slideshow, the link doesn't work. So if you put it on slideshow, you can just click it and you go to wherever it is. But if you have it on this view, you need to press Control and click, and it will take you to the page. Sometimes you will have to open Teams, but I have mine already open, so it just take me right to the page. And if you have problems working on the homework, I already gave a little hints here on how to do them. Like for example, number 1, Hardy added 27 to the product of 223 and 17. What is the sum? And products mean to multiply. And it says that he added this to the product of that. So you need to multiply 223 and 17 first. Then once you found the product, then you add 27. Okay, this one is the same. Number 2 is the same, similar. It's just you need to subtract it from the product, and difference means to subtract. This one is just working on order of operations. Remember to use your PEMDAS, right? After that is division. You need to think about, if you really work the problem correctly, like in this case, 3 and 92 hundredths is much smaller than 56. And if you think about it, 3 and 9 tenths is less than 56, so the answers must be 0.0 something. And the only one with 0.0 something is that answer, right? In this case, 338, you know, if you pretend that this is a whole number, 38 is greater than 24. So it would be 0 and something, right? In numbers here. And for the product, I already gave you the smart estimate. So you know your answer has to be about 120, and there's only one answer choice that is about 120. But please do the problem. The smart estimate is just give you an idea of what it should be, right? Okay, so it shouldn't be hard. If it's hard for you, please send me a message and I will help you with it, okay? Let's go back to 4.1. The quiz, so press control and click. Yes, the quiz is in forms. Okay, for the quiz, I'm not giving you hints. Since it's quiz, I just want to see what you can or cannot do yet, okay? What's the value of this expression? What's the value of that expression? Remember, when it starts with a whole number, you're dividing it by fraction, you will have bigger number. If you start with a fraction and you're splitting it into 36 parts, you'll have much, much smaller number. Okay, think about that like that. So let me say that one more time. So if you have start with a whole number and you making it into fraction groups, so how many 1/8 would you have in 16 whole? You have many of them, right? And this one, you have 1/12, and you're splitting it. It's already small, and you're splitting it at 36 times, splitting it into 36 groups. That would be so much smaller number, okay? Okay, this shouldn't be hard. This just is so many times we've done this, so it shouldn't be a problem doing this. What is 3/4 of 16? You know 3/4 of 16s. 3/4 times 16, which one is that? What's that rounded to the nearest tenth? Oh my goodness, Miss T is giving you easy quiz. Okay, so that's the quiz. Okay, let's go back here. And this is adding and simplifying fraction. Oh, what? Oh, here, adding and subtracting fraction with simplifying. And then the next practice is writing equations from word problems and multiply fraction with whole numbers using models. Okay, I am going to have to do a video for each one of these assignments. So this video is not too long, okay? So let's see. So with that one, and that one. So I guess I have gone over everything. I hope that helps. And I will try to see you Thursday, maybe after school, if I don't have a meeting. But I will email you, and then I put it in chat also in Teams. Okay, have a good week. Love you all. Be good to your parents. Bye.